Biking around town or your college campus shouldn't have to be a dangerous task. You should be able to feel safe and at ease. That's why we have created CycleOps. CycleOps is an app that has been created to highlight specific bike routes in different cities and college campuses. Safest routes are highlighted in green, while more dangerous routes are highlighted in red. In order to instill complete safety while biking, we have also created a phone mount for the front of every bike so you have your own personal GPS attached. In order to limit distractions while biking, after you have reached a speed of 5 miles per hour, your routing screen will lock, and in order to access other apps, you will have to pull over. One extra element added is a horn button open on the front of each routing page in case you want to caution a pedestrian or a driver that you are present. The CycleOps app is also in development of creating safety and training videos for amateur bikers to help educate them of safe ways to ride, such as using hand signals and rules of the road. CycleOps' main goal is to minimize the number of biking accidents that occur. Biking should be enjoyable, so let's cycle.